In this video, I'll show you how to use PayPal to send money to a bank account, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. PayPal makes transferring money easy, and you have a couple of options. You can transfer for free, which usually takes a couple of days, or you can transfer instantly for a small fee. Before you can transfer money, you need to link a bank account or card to your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app and tap the wallet icon at the bottom right. Here, you'll see your PayPal balance and any linked accounts. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, tap Add Banks and Cards at the top. Choose Bank as the type of account to add. Then search for your bank or select it from the list. Follow the instructions to link your account, which may include logging into your bank or verifying some details. Once complete, your bank account will appear in your wallet section. To transfer money, tap your PayPal balance. At the bottom of the screen, tap Transfer, then select Transfer Money. You'll see two options. The first is a free transfer, which takes 1 to 3 days to reach your bank. If timing isn't urgent, this is a good choice. Select the account you want the money sent to, then tap Transfer Now to start the process. If you want the money instantly, choose the Instant Transfer option. Select the account to transfer to, and you'll see the small fee for this service. Currently, the fee is 1.5% of the amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $15. Once you've confirmed the details, tap Transfer at the bottom. Your money will be sent to your bank account almost immediately. You'll usually receive a notification once the transfer is complete. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.